To learn how to multiply with low base, we start with new example with 8. Multiply with 7. Second number that is 7 give us base. For 1 to 9 we take base 10. For 7 we take base 10. First step, we minus first number 8 with the base 10 equal to 2. Next we minus second number 7 with the base 10 equal to 3. Now, we multiply both digit 2 into 3 equal to 6. We write 6. Next step, we minus the number crosswise 3 from 8. And again we minus crosswise number 2 from 7. We have same answer 5. Now, we multiply 5 with base. For base 10 we write 1, 5 multiply with 1 equal to 5. And we write 5. Our final answer is 56. We start with new example with 16. Multiply with 18. Second number that is 18 will give us base. For 11 to 19 we take base 20. For 18 we take base 20. First step, we minus first number 16 with the base 20 equal to 4. Next we minus second number 18 with the base 20 equal to 2. Now, we multiply both digit 4 into 2 equal to 8. We write 8. Next step, we minus the number crosswise 2 from 16. Again we minus crosswise number 18 from 4. We have same answer 14. Now, we multiply 14 with base. For base 20 we write 2, 14 multiply with 2 equal to 28. We write 28. Our final answer 288. We start with new example with 48. Multiply with 47. Second number that is 47 will give us base. For 41 to 49 we take base 50. For 47 we take base 50. First step, we minus first number 48 with the base 50 equal to 2. Next we minus second number 47 with the base 50 equal to 3. Now, we multiply both digit 2 into 3 equal to 6. We write 6. Next step we minus the number crosswise, 3 from 48. Again we minus crosswise number 2 from 47. We have same answer 45. Now, we multiply 45 with base. For base 50 we write 5, 45 multiply with 5 equal to 225. We write 225. Our final answer 2256. Similarly for 30, 40, 60, 70, 80 we use same formula.